Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung will most likely release the Galaxy Tab S10 generation. The upcoming family of slates will likely see the light of day sometime in summer 2024 alongside the next generation of the Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip foldables. As of very early 2024, virtually nothing specific is known about the Galaxy Tab S10 tablet family. Samsung usually releases its high-end tablets. We doubt that the Galaxy Tab S10 generation will be the one to break away from tradition. Our expectation is that we'll see the Galaxy Tab S10 family announced on stage in late July 2024 or early August 2024, with a potential market release roughly 2 weeks afterward. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus has already been certified by the Safety Korea Certification Board, which essentially confirms that everything with the Galaxy Tab S lineup is going on as scheduled. About the pricing of the upcoming Samsung tablets. However, due to historic reasons, we don't actually anticipate a major price increase or a price reduction, for that matter. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and Galaxy Tab S10 will most likely cost just as much as their predecessors, as Samsung will surely want to maintain price synergy in between generations. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will certainly remain the best endowed tablet when it comes to camera. It will most certainly come along with a dual rear camera, similar to the one on the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The latter came with a 13MP wide-angle and an 8MP ultra-wide. At the front, where the more important cameras for a tablet reside, we also get dual 12MP cameras, so here's to hoping the same would be true for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus will likely inherit its predecessor's dual 13MP wide plus 8MP ultra-wide camera combo, as well as the single frontal 12MP snapper. The Galaxy Tab S10 will certainly remain with a single rear 13MP camera and a 12MP front-facing snapper for all your selfie and video calling needs. We expect that the upcoming Galaxy S10 tablets will retain the same storage tiers as their predecessors. This means that the most decked-out version of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra might come with a full terabyte of storage and probably up to 16GB of RAM for your heavy multitasking needs. At the same time, the entry-level member, the Galaxy Tab S10, might start with 128GB of native storage and a standard amount of 8GB of RAM. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.